Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on and turn off the NFC on Vivo phones. So if you want to use your Vivo phone for super fast contactless payments and effortless data exchange, you need to master the NFC, Near Field Communication feature. So the fastest way to Google NFC is just using the control settings or notification of panel shortcuts. So you can just slide down on your Vivo phones until you see this notification panels. Click on the pencil icon at the top, and then in here you can just drag the NFC shortcuts to the list. You can just drag and drop like this, go back. So now once you want, every time you want to use the NFC, you can just scroll down like this and click on the NFC button. And the second one is the classic options. You can just go to the settings menu, click on more connections, and here you'll see the NFC. So you can just here click on this toggle to turn it on, or click it again to turn it off. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks.